What's up, guys? Welcome back. Look, I put my carpet in. I did that, woke up this morning. I mean, it's not perfect. It's a GSR carpet. So, I mean, there's missings there. Still there. I still have my tape. Had to cut it a couple places. I mean, right here, still a little bad. But overall, compared to the rattle can, it was. Watch, I'll go show you guys. I like it so much more already. Oh, locked my door. Don't know. Oh, yeah, I was cleaning. That's why. Wiping stuff down. But just looks. I mean, the carpet kind of isn't great. I could still take it all out. Just took because I had to wash it. There used to be big old stains of grease in it. Most of them are gone. There's still a few, but this was the Integra carpet. So yeah, guys, I used some of the Integra, the Accord, the Civic. This car's got 3 different cars put into it now. My Gretty shift knob. Look at that, guys. My weighted shift knob. I got to figure out. I think I'm going to thread a nut on there, and then figure that out. Don't know yet, but yeah, everything's good. Everything's good with the car. Just look at this. It looks kind of crappy on camera because it is still dirty and stuff, but compared to I don't know how that needs to go. Compared to just the metal, compared to that, this already kind of looks good. I gotta tuck this under the shifter. So what I'm gonna do is tuck it under the shifter and then cut it down, and then because I had to cut it there. Other than that, I finally bolted this guy down. Put this back on. But all the wires aren't exposed anymore. Except that ground wire. I gotta figure that one out. Yeah, guys, just spent a lot of my time just cleaning. Nothing crazy. It does look, you can see it like a little bit. My windows are a little bit dirty, but I did wipe them out yesterday. You can see through that one still. Yeah, guys, Jacob, my brother, he ended up making 600 on his S2000. So yeah, he made 600. My brother got his Golf R back. I got my car pretty much ready. I just need to find. My friend said an MVD is open, so I'll go on Monday and take it to emissions place probably, and then if it passes emissions, I'll call my insurance agent. I'll go park somewhere. I'll probably park somewhere, and then call them. Oh, there's a leaf. Is that that's a leaf. Call them. Switch the insurance from my truck over to the car, and get the car title in my name. Boom, boom, boom. Hopefully Monday. If we can get that, guys, I'll try and get some GoPro mounts. Right now I am saving up because my truck here, I don't know, it's broken. My truck over there, not that one, that's my dad's. That one's mine. The one next to the Fiesta. That one, you guys have seen it. Well, my daily, she's kind of down right now, and that's kind of sad because, that was my grandpa's truck, and I want to fix it. I've had it forever. So I'm saving right now, trying to get everything I need first. I need a few more things. I need a new fuel pump, filter, or actually I think I'm gonna put an eBay regulator on it. I'm gonna pop an eBay reg on the return line, and then from there do it like basically it's $20 eBay reg, and then a better fuel pump stock. I'll keep the fuel filter the same. It'll probably be cheaper that way than buying a Corvette fuel filter. But yeah, then I just need to wire it up and get a cracked computer and make sure that everything's wired up. All the truck wires that I need, the few that I need to talk to the the LS, the ECU, the PCM. It's because it controls everything. It controls the transmission. I'm used to ECUs. I'm used to Hondas. This doesn't do anything. All it needs to know is what gear ratio is your transmission. Okay. Well, so yeah, that, and then I'm gonna get the get the swap done. So hopefully within the next few months, well, actually, it's probably not even gonna be months. Outlet swaps are actually a whole lot easier for me, because with this one it was more just I had a lot of bad things that can't go wrong. Like I can't break an axle on my first, because I can't put the motor in the same ghetto way I did this one and not do it right. I did a lot of stuff on this car wrong, and kind of makes me regret it. But overall, I drove it for 22. Going to drive it again today, 22 miles, and we're gonna go take it to my friends and put a couple more miles on it. See how it drives. Get it ready to go. Yeah, guys, just I don't know. I enjoy it. I'm looking at the carpet, just like it looks so much nicer. Anyway.